Okay, now let's have a small session regarding Midjourney and ChatGPT. So what we want to do is generate some ideas for jewelry. Yes. So let's try to do that. What can we put here? I am designer in the company which produce 2D personalized jewelry. How to say it? Jewelry made from silver and gold plates. I need some name necklace ideas. How it can looks like. I'm using AI tool to generate images from text. Give me some prompts which will help to create amazing images from text. Let's try. By the way, now you see GPT-4 model. It has limitation only 25 messages per 3 hours. It's slow, but it's smarter. And only available for paid accounts. Let's try. Not sure that it is good idea, but let's try each prompt. Okay. What else? Two-tone gold and silver name necklace. Let's try. By the way, Midjourney also updated not so long time ago. Now it's version 5. Again, available only for paid subscription. Previously, it had a lot of problem with rendering several fingers instead of 5, and problems with eyes, problems with faces. Now it's much better, much better. Let's wait. Meanwhile, what else we have? Let's try. My subscription have limitation, 3 images per one time, but let's wait. I will not show a lot of images, just several. So we have something ready. Okay. Something quite strange. Modern geometric font name necklace with alternating silver and gold letters. Something like that, but you see photos are good. Wow, I like this. Gold, silver, looks nice. Looks nice. What else? It's still generating. Meanwhile, I will explain you what each button means. So, for example, we have a U button. It means that After I will place it, it will show me first image. U1 is first, second, third, fourth, yes, and it will be in high resolution, quite big image. What means this refresh? It means that it will be regenerate images with the same prompts. It will give completely different results. We can try and compare. What means V1, V2, V3, V4? It will generate variants based on initial image. So variants of image 1, for example. Let's try to generate it. Or if you will choose variants for 4, it will create variants for this one. Something quite strange, but false, I like false. Okay. So here is variants. It's not ready yet, 27% yet, but you see how variants work. It do the same image, but with different details. Here are some hearts, here some different symbols, some different chains, and so on. Some additional thing, you see something, some gold, or I don't know. So here is how it generating. Let's go next. Let's, for example, now I want the same for earrings. And it will generate prompts for earrings. Or earrings, how to say it? No. Let's wait a bit. So let's take first and try to render it. Quite easily, you see, just the main goal to explain ChatGPT what you want to see, and it will generate prompts for images. By the way, instead of I'm using AI tool to generate image from text, you can say I'm using AI tool like DALL-E. OpenAI knows about his environment. Yes, DALL-E is their product, and he will know how to create images for Midjourney also because of that. So earrings. It's not fast, not at all. You see, this image is not still generated, but I ran it 6 minutes ago. Each AI server is overloaded now. Many people use it. So here are some ideas for earrings. So this is how it can be used. Also, of course, you can ask show it on model, for example. He thought that I asked him render the image. By the way, GPT-4 will be able to render image soon, but it's not public available yet. Let's change prompt. Generate prompt like user rested, but they should be on the woman. Let's do it like that. By the way, you see different variants of earrings, of necklaces. Cool. It's for ideas generation. Very cool thing. It's not replace you. You should use it to generate new ideas because it is not final variant. Yes, you can't use it as is. You need to work with it, but you can generate ideas based on this stuff. How it can looks. Yes, because different things described by text can looks very differently. You can see it on the image. Yes. So let's try. Stylish woman wearing a dainty gold name necklace with elegant script letters paired with matching script initial earrings. Let's try what it will be. We can use another prompt also. Sometimes it's generating something crazy, but in general, you can. I will show you something crazy. You see the sizes here. They're so big. Chains also strange. Here is also a bit strange jewelry. So you need to monitor what it displays. So here is on model, yes, on the neck. But it is some old prompt. Let's wait a bit until it's generated. $93, okay. So you see, quite cool, really cool. So something like that. You can do anything you want with these tools. It's really amazing. So that's all. Thank you.